Sorry. It's a stick. Do you know how to drive a stick? I'm so sorry. It's an emergency. Oh my God. Do you know how to change a gear?
What's a gear? Okay.
Get out.
It wasn't so
Mission
bad.
abort.
We just want to talk about your boyfriend.
But he dumped me.
Drew was CIA.
I'm sorry, what?
Some bad people are after me. Now they're after you.
Why is this happening?
I don't know, because you dated a spy. I-5 up here.
It's a flash drive. You have to swallow it before they come back.
There is no turning back for us.
We're semi-professionals at this point. Professional. We are professional.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me.
Oh my God, I killed someone! I killed someone! Stop yelling that!
For me.
I ask a question. If I don't like answer,
Oh my God!
you feel pain.
I'll tell you anything you want to know. I've never kept a secret in my life. Audrey shaves between her boobs.
Morgan flosses with her hair.
She has sex dreams about minions.
Just the one minion with the one eye.
She Googled it on my computer, and now I get a lot of weird ads.